I'm Jeremy Renzula. Today, I will discuss what case study research in social work. Case study research is a qualitative research method that focuses on deep understanding of a single case or a small number of cases. In social work, a case may refer to an individual, family, group, organization, or community. The main goal of case study research is to explore real-life social issues and natural context. Instead of looking at a large number of participants, social workers closely examine one case to understand behavior, experiences, interventions, and outcomes. Case study research is especially important in social work because it is a practitioners understand complex human situations. Social problems such as poverty, abuse, mental health concern, or family conflict cannot always be explained by numbers alone. Case study allows social workers to use how personal, social, cultural, and environmental factors interact in the client's life. There are several key characteristics of case study research. First is in-depth, meaning it gathering detailed information using interviews, observations, documentations, and records. Second, it is a context-based, focusing on the real-life setting of the client and the community. Third, it is holistic, meaning it looks at the whole situation rather than just one problem. Like for example, a social worker may conduct a case study on a child from abusive household. This research may examine the child to classify his or her background, school performance, emotional behaviors, and effectiveness of social work intervention. Through this process, the social worker can identify what strategies work, what challenges existed, and what lessons can be learned. Case study research also helps improve social work practice and policy. By learning from the real cases, social workers can develop better interventions, strengthen programs, and advocate for policy change and address client needs. I conclude that case study research in social work is a powerful tool that allows professionals to deeply understand human experiences. It connects theory with practice and helps social workers to provide more effective, ethical, and compassionate. Thank you for watching.